Hello friends, welcome to Varni Tutor, our official YouTube channel. Today we are discuss HTML tutorial, how to learn. In HTML tutorial, learn HTML with the Varni Tutor. Some topics are important: introduction, requirements, different tags, HTML format, how to run to code, using font tag, using anchor tag, using image attributes, working with table, and lots of example we are see in HTML tutorial in our YouTube channel. We discuss how to run HTML code easy. Next, see introduction. HTML is a hypertext markup language. HTML describes the structure of a web page. Its elements are represented and tagged, and all HTML documents start HTML and end with the bracket and the HTML. The visible part of the HTML document is between the body tag end and start. And the heading are the H1 to H6 tag. Thank you.